And joining us now on the phone is Michael Markowski. He is a startup expert with Trophy Investing. Michael, welcome back to the program.
Hey, it's great to be back, Don. Great to be back.
Now, Michael, it was really interesting. We had you in studio last week talking about investing in startup companies with as little as $100. Can you tell us about that again, please?
Well, yeah, they're because of the Jobs Act, the SEC lifted the ban for investors to invest in private companies that had been in place since 1933. And that ban, so that ban has been lifted, and now that enables anyone to purchase $100 worth of shares in a private company. I call them startups because that's what happens when you start a business. That's the best time to invest in the business to make the most returns on your money. So now anyone can invest in these startups. They can use a credit card, debit card. It's real simple. It's really easy. Anybody in the United States or any around the world, there's only two countries in which you can. I believe it's the UK and Canada that the citizens cannot invest in startups. But you can just go to, to MoneyTV.club, and there's all this information about this, how to invest in startups. And there's two or three startups on there, and there's a lot of content on there. But the key is that that if you'd invested $100 into Airbnb, you would have made $2 million as a startup. That's what the recent value was, $100, $2 million.
Amazing, just amazing. Now, you've got a graphic for us to look at. Why don't you tell us about that?
Yeah, well, this graphic shows actually there's 4 different startups on this graph. You can see that $100 into Airbnb was worth, a couple of million. If you put $100 into Uber, we're talking almost $1.4 million. And of course, there's WhatsApp, and there is also Snapchat.
Wow.
So, and you could have invested in these companies, Now, the interesting part is that all of these companies are really, the investments are less than 5 years old or so, in most of them, and you made this kind of money.
Now, you've got a second graphic. We're almost out of time. Why don't you quickly run us through that?
Well, the key is I want everyone to understand there's still plenty of opportunities. There's going to be another 1.4 million apps that are going to hit the App Store by 2020. All those apps are going to be under development, or they're already under development. And so there's plenty of opportunities for people to build a diversified portfolio at $100 a piece. And all it takes is one to win the lottery.
Once again, Trophy Investing. For more information, visit the website MoneyTV.club. Michael, fascinating. Looking forward to more information from you. Thanks for joining us.
Okay, thanks, Don. Bye-bye.